Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Frida Mom Peri Bottle with warm water. You want soothing temperature so it does not sting. Once filled, test a drop on your wrist and confirm comfort. You then sit on the toilet or lean over the bathtub to stabilize your pelvis and make aiming easier. Make sure to remove the cap and hold the nozzle at a shallow angle toward the perineum. This avoids internal pressure and targets the sore tissue for gentle cleansing and pain relief. You proceed by cleansing using controlled, short bursts. Squeeze gently from top to bottom so the water flows soothingly across stitches or tears. Once done, make sure to target the perineal folds and any tender areas without directing force into the vaginal canal. After rinsing, gently pat dry with soft toilet paper or a clean pad. Avoid rubbing. You can use the bottle after each restroom use and during showers. And remember to refresh the water, at least every 24 hours for hygiene. You finish by emptying leftover water, shaking the bottle to drain, and letting it air dry upright with the cap off when possible. This prevents bacterial growth. Once dry, snap the cap back on for storage or travel. For extra comfort, combine Peri bottle use with cold compresses or witch hazel pads to reduce swelling. If you experience increasing pain, heavy soaking of pads, fever, or foul odor, stop and contact your clinician immediately. Those signs need prompt medical attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.